Getting ready to move? Before you start packing, here's one of the best things you can do to make your move easier, faster, and even cheaper: declutter your home. Moving is the perfect time to sort through your stuff and decide what's really worth taking with you. The less you move, the less you'll pay, and the less time it'll take. So let's break it down. Start room by room. Go through closets, cabinets, and drawers and ask yourself, have I used this in the past year? If not, it might be time to let it go. Create 3 piles: keep, donate, and toss. Be honest with yourself. Do you really need those old clothes, extra kitchen gadgets, or outdated electronics? For items in good condition, consider donating or selling them. Many charities offer free pickups, and selling online can help you earn a little extra cash before your move. When it comes to paperwork, shred what you don't need and organize important documents so they're easy to find later. You'll thank yourself on moving day. And don't forget to tackle those junk drawers and storage areas, the ones we all have. It's amazing how much space you can free up by just clearing them out. Decluttering takes a little time, but it'll make your move smoother, save you money, and help you start fresh in your new home. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom or email us at contactus@movers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.